I am reading first article means headlines. Okay, then after and read article. Java UGD maker revs up its bike line up. Uh, okay, start article. Ayan Karthik I direct livemint.com ने दिल्ली मोटरसाइकिल manufacturer classic legends PVT Ltd is betting on new products to sustain its recent growth momentum after years of muted sales as it seeks to challenge the dominance of Royal Enfield in India's premium motorcycle market. The Mumbai-based premium bike brand, a subsidiary of the Mahindra Group, introduced two motorcycles on Thursday, which come nearly a year after it committed to a series of premium bikes launches. This was the company's first launch for financial year 2027. 27 a classic legends efforts to return to a growth trajectory come at a time when Mahindra has identified the company as a potential growth driver. Anupam Threja, co-founder of Classic Legends, said the new motorcycles with 350cc and 550cc engine capacities will be positioned eh, positioned as a SUV of bikes. I have always believed that classic classic legends co-founder Anupam Thereja left and Bowman Irani at the launch of the premium bike variant on Thursday. Okay, scramblers will redefine Indian riding culture the way SUV sports utilized vehicle ride and passenger four-wheelers. They are the SUV of motorcycle. Serge said at the launch the company is the parent of three bike brands Java, HD and BSA. Data from Federation of Automobile Dealers Association showed that in the financial year 2026 FY26 the company sold 45,409 motorcycles, posting a growth of nearly 40% as against a 4% annual increase in FY25. Classic Legends entered the market in 2018 with the relaunch of the ironic Java motorcycle. Mahindra holds a 60% stake in the company, while co-founder Tareja and Bowman Irani of the Rustomiji Group hold and the remainder. The venture was set up to revive a legacy brand such as AJD and introduce new premium classic motorcycle. Analysts suggest that classic agents has managed to get some growth, but it will have to rethink its strategy of banking on legacy bike brands. The company mainly has to issue it is banking on historic bike brands which may not have much resonance in the market the and among young consumers currently on performance. Their bikes lack the characteristic which make Royal Enfield successful. Enfield makes bikes which are slow motorcycle manageable and look good while moving, said Deepesh Dipesh Rathore, founder and head of research at Insight EV, a two-wheeler consultancy. Back in its time, Java used to lead the market in performance and brand recognition, but it is a changed market now where Royal Enfield is leading by a big margin. The generation which recognizes the brand is not the one which can drive growth for the brand. Now Rathore said, will classic legends aim to challenge Eicher Motors, Royal Enfield? Its sales numbers significantly trailed the market leader in 2025 to 26. Royal Enfield sold I 1.1 million motorcycles in the domestic market, uh, positing, positing a growth of 31% for an extended version of this story. Go to livemint.com. Okay, guys, my article is my article completed. Thanks. Right.